This is Mama's baby. I haven't seen Fluffers in a few days. But Fluffers is here, and Fluffers lost his or her white stripe on its head. And Mama is back over under the sticks. She was over here. Come here, Mama! There she is. There's that little rat. There's a family of rats, and I need to do something about that. Come here, Mama! Come here! You still over there? Come here, Mama! And this is Fluffers. I was worried about Fluffers, but came back. You're getting big, honey. You're growing big. You're growing big. You ate a carrot. Fluffers likes carrots now. Her teeth got strong enough. Come here. You want another one? Come here. Come here. Here. A little carrot for you, hon. This. Go on. Come on. There's Fluffers. Come here. Honey. There you go. You like a little carrots now. You like carrots now. Come here, Mama. Where'd you go, Mama? Look at baby. Who's getting big, honey? You're getting big. Look at little mouse. Oh, look at this little stinker. Look. Go steal it. Look. Oh, that little toot. I'm sorry, honey. There's one right there. Look at him stealing them. I need to get those out of the shed.